Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to discuss how to fix a cell in Microsoft Excel. Let's watch this video and follow the step-by-step methods. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know how to fix a cell in Excel. Solution 1. Restart the Excel application. Before exploring any advanced solutions, it is recommended to once close and reopen your Excel application. Many users have found this method useful in their cases to overcome this issue. Solution 2. Unmerge the Excel cells. Unmerging cells in Excel is another effective solution to solve a cell in worksheet. Whether you've inherited a spreadsheet with merged cells or accidentally merged cells yourself, understanding how to revert this action is crucial. Let's know how to unmerge the cells. Select one or more cells you want to unmerge. On the Home tab, in the Alignment group, click Merge and Center. Or, click the drop-down arrow next to the Merge and Center button, and select Unmerge Cells. Either way, Excel will unmerge all the merged cells in the selection and solve this problem. Solution 3. Update the Excel app to the latest version. Updating the Excel application to the latest version can even help you to fix this Excel problem. Open the Microsoft Excel. Click the File tab. Click the Account option. Click Update Options. And click Update Now to check for updates for the Office app. And update it to the latest version. Solution 4. Edit the Excel file permissions. Sometimes, you can face issues related to spreadsheet cells if you don't have sufficient permissions. You can check and provide the desired permissions to fix the problem. To do so, locate and right-click on the file that won't open, and click Properties. In the File Properties dialog box, click the Security tab, and then hit the Edit button. When the Files Permissions dialog box appears, click on the Add button. Click on the Advanced button from the Select Users or Groups window. Select Find Now. A list of all users and groups will get displayed in a search results box. Choose Everyone group from the list and hit OK. You can see the Everyone group in the Enter the Object Names to Select text box. Click OK once again to return to the Files Permission dialog box. Click Everyone from the Group or User Names box and check all the checkboxes under Allow. Click on Apply and then OK. Now try to open and complete the copy-paste action. Fix worksheet-related issues using Excel Repair tool. If you are facing any error or issue due to Excel file corruption, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about how to fix a cell in Excel. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.